All right, from the crisis in Ukraine, let's now shift our attention to the other crisis that we are looking at. And this, of course, has got to do with the Covid-19 pandemic. And the World Health Organization has now said that there is a subvariant of the Covid-19 Omicron mutant variant that has now been reported in at least about 57 countries around the world. Studies indicate that this particular subvariant could be even more infectious than the original Omicron variant of the coronavirus.
Premature for any country either to surrender or to declare victory. This virus is dangerous, and it continues to evolve before our very eyes. WHO is currently tracking 4 sublineages of the Omicron variant of concern, including BA.2.
But the Omicron variant was detected in South Africa just about in the first week of November last year. And since then, it has spread very rapidly and has become the dominant variant worldwide. In a weekly epidemiological update accounts for nearly about 93% of all coronavirus specimens that are being collected over the course of the last month have all been the Omicron mutant variant. Now, it also counts several sublineages, including the BA1, BA1.1, BA2 and BA3. Now, there's been a clear rise in the cases that involve the BA2, and it shows several different mutations from the original one. This includes spike proteins that dot the virus's surface, and this, remember, is of course very crucial in terms of how the virus is able to attach itself to a human cell and then enter into it. The United Nations Health Agency has also said that the little is known about the differences between the subvariant at this point of time. It has called for more studies into its characteristics like transmissibility and how good it is at dodging immune protections. Even though Omicron is highly infectious, it has caused less damage than the previous COVID variants. However, experts say that regardless of the strain, COVID remains a pretty dangerous disease.
No indication that there's a change in severity. Omicron overall we know is more transmissible. It has more growth advantage and it causes less severe disease compared to Delta, but it's still a very dangerous virus.
WION is now available in your country. Download the app now and get all the news on the move.